Got ran over some bikers, but here we are. Another cigar. It's a beautiful day for searching. Beautiful videoing. National Fix-It League starts on Thursday. That's when the best thing about this time of year. National Fix-It League, National Hockey. Shout out to Johnny Hockey. Got killed by, his brother got killed by a drunk driver, murdered in cold blood. His sister canceled wedding on Friday. Call someone, murder someone. How sad. Biking with his bro. Some drunk driver runs him over and murders him. Called execution. So yeah, taking a few pictures for my calendar. So I walked up, that's where I was that last video. I don't know. Guarantee it, the season's changing here, it'd be cool. Eureka's a nice town. There's a good restaurant across from the Trees of Mystery. It's really nice. Great ribs. I'd kill myself on this thing, I guarantee it. We have something like this back home in Minnesota. Bigfoot, where are you? Sasquatch. I never know, man. You see, like my favorite, like I said last video, TV shows, they're sitting out in the middle of with a bunch of lights, making noise. I mean, you're gonna find him something like this. He's gonna walk up on you on the trail. Maybe you're down by the river and he or she's taking a dump. They'll walk up to you. It's like a UFO might land somewhere in the middle of the woods while you're walking or something. Hover above you, come and take you away. You know? Who knows, right? Oop, I'm coming. Hey guys, howdy. How's it going? Here they're coming. There's those big bastards. They're cruising. They can smell the cigar. What? Doesn't say anything about can't search for Sasquatch or anything. There's kind of a trail back into there. Who knows? But the best ones are the what the hell was I going to say here now? When they're looking for UFOs or somewhere and walking around doing that kind of behavior. It's just oops. Sorry about that.
No worries, you good?
I'm looking for Sasquatch and Bigfoot.
Okay, tell me I'll get $5.
I will. That's why they don't let people in. I've done cemeteries, you guys know that, in the daytime. People go into cemeteries and do weird stuff. And room for people that, just like myself, that want to walk through and show you all the stuff people have been buried, you know. I've always said, this is, I love making content, not chasing the almighty dollar. I put a few of these up on TikTok. In search of Sasquatch, A.K.A. Bigfoot. Because there's some town up here that's got a Bigfoot hotel, I think. And they're really into it, so it's a cottage industry here in California. Kind of an interesting tree. But the Trees of Mystery is really cool. I guess she wants to go to Baja for my birthday next year. Go up to Cadillac Mountain. Which Cadillac Mountain you have to have a, now you have to have a reservation. It's the highest point on the East Coast. The New World Order talks about that. Cadillac Mountain. It's in Bahaba. We were there on vacation. We drove up there from, we were in Maine. We were down there in, I can't remember what that town was down there, but in Maine. I said, sure, I'll go. I didn't want to go to Block Island, but I don't need Dave 25 stalking me with his fiance. What do you guys think? Kind of interesting stuff. Before I left, we went over to Sky Ridge over in Minnetonka. I took her around there. It's no trespassing, but you can, I mean, it's really kind of cool. Here comes a walker. Hello, how are you?
Would you prefer going against or with the traffic?
I go with the traffic. This guy, I gotta listen.
Right,
Yeah,
exactly. You can usually hear them.
Yeah, usually, yeah. I'm looking for Bigfoot, A.K.A. Sasquatch. So.
Okay, I saw a couple footprints.
Okay, perfect. All right, I appreciate it. You never know, man. If I hear you scream, I'll come for you, okay?
Well, but you never know why I'm screaming. It might be joy.
Good luck on your walk, my friend. Good to see you. Happy Labor Day. All right. See? People, you know, I'm talking about, man. Dudes, padrones. You never know, man. Great walking trail. He had a walking stick. You never know, man. It's a cool tree. Nope. You never know, man. Hello. I am here in peace, Sasquatch. Bigfoot. Mean no harm. I just want to get you on video. A real Bigfoot, no faking, nobody running around. Oh, these trees just grow out of the ground like that. It's hilarious. Yeah, we got our front yard all done the other day. Lay down some sod in the backyard. But 62 years old and you die because of making poor choices. Smoking 2 packs a day. I smoke cigars. Very rarely drink. I get it, but never any good, man. Nope. It's very peaceful. Heard that train go all, you hear some cars. Huh. All right, guys. Well, another video. We're gonna keep going. You never know. All right. See you in the next one.